Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Everstart 1000 amp jump starter. First, prioritize safety by wearing appropriate protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Before connecting anything, make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and all electronic accessories are unplugged. It's also crucial to check your jump starter's charge level. It should ideally be at least 75% full to ensure it can deliver enough power for a successful jump. Now let's connect the jump starter. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery itself. This creates a safe ground connection. Always ensure both clamps are firmly attached and never allow them to touch each other, as this could cause a short circuit. With the clamps securely in place, it's time to start your vehicle. Turn on your Everstart jump starter and observe any indicator lights to confirm it's ready to deliver power. Then, attempt to start your vehicle, but only for a maximum of 5 seconds. If it doesn't start immediately, wait for at least 60 seconds before making another attempt. This allows the jump starter to cool down and prevents overheating, ensuring its longevity and effectiveness. Congratulations, your vehicle is running. Now, carefully disconnect the jump starter, removing the black negative clamp first, followed by the red positive clamp. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes. This allows your car's alternator to adequately recharge its battery. Finally, remember to fully recharge your Everstart jump starter after every use. This ensures it's always prepared and ready to assist you during any future roadside emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.